In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Shopify store's navigation by editing your menus. Whether you're looking to restructure your site or simply remove unnecessary links, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in by opening up your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the home page of your store's admin panel. From here, directing your attention to the left-hand side menu will reveal a list of options. Our focus today is towards the content section. Go ahead and click on it. This area contains all of your site's media and written content, crucial for managing what your audience sees when visiting your site. Now, with the content section open, our next task is to work with the menus. Think of menus as your site's roadmap. It tells visitors where to go and helps organize your key products or pages. Within the content area, you'll see an option labeled Menus. Give that a click. Intrinsically linked to the site's user experience, a well-organized menu facilitates seamless navigation, an essential aspect of maintaining your store's professionalism and functionality. Once you find yourself in the menu section, you'll notice various menu options that correspond to different parts of your website. Today, we are focusing on the main menu as it holds the primary links that most visitors will interact with first. Locate the main menu and click on it to see a detailed view of its components. This is where you decide what remains at the forefront of your site and what might need adjusting or removal. Among the items listed in your main menu, there should be an item labeled Highlight that's been brought to our attention. This may be a menu item that promoted a past sale or event that's no longer relevant. Click on this item, and you will find additional options pertaining specifically to it. After selecting the Highlight item in the main menu, you'll notice there is an option to remove this menu link entirely. By removing it, you can streamline your visitors' browsing experience, ensuring only the most necessary and current information is apparent to customers. To do this, simply click on the Remove button and confirm if prompted. It's always good practice to periodically reevaluate your menus, optimizing them to match the latest needs of your business and the preferences of your customers. And that's it. You've successfully managed your Shopify store menus. By following these straightforward steps, you're helping to maintain an organized, up-to-date browsing experience that both enhances user satisfaction and supports your business goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check back for more tutorials to optimize every aspect of your Shopify store. Thank you for joining me today.